Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Motorola Moto G56. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Now tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, allow in first pop-up and allow all in the second one. Now tap on whatever you want to in all the other ones. When you finished, select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Motorola. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a couple, just for example. In the last two categories, contacts and files, you need to choose Allow a few more times to access them. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. If you decided to transfer any apps, choose OK in the pop-up. And then hit Got It in Here's Some Tip 1. Now it's time to pick one of those connection ways. So in my case, this key. Click on Input key below, enter the key. Type in all of those numbers in correct order. And hit Receive button. But if you want to scan the QR code instead, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. Wherever you decided, just wait. Close or add. And as you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!